This is your handover video on the Swift Kudos 530 SB. So we'll start off at the front of your van where you have your Alco hitch, head and stabiliser. Tow ball in, so you lift the back handle, slot the tow ball in, and put the stabiliser down, locks into place. Green pop up there. So release, lift up, wrap the handle up, release the tow ball. Brake wheel double fitted, jockey wheel, handbrake, jockey wheel handle, 13-pin plug which does your exterior lights, ACC, and 12 volt to the fridge if your car is wired up correctly. With the ACC light, when connected to your car, it will go through this cycle and will stay solid or flashing green. In your gas locker you have 2 gas bottle holders suitable for 2 6 kg propane gas bottles. Bulkhead regulator, sure the lights working as you go around. Have your Truma boiler flue, your Truma inlet, water inlet, so umbilical cord goes into the aqua roll. And then obviously you lift up this little trigger here, slots it into place, locks it in, like so. You have your battery locker where you have your 240 mains inlet, your power touch motor mover, isolation key, battery tray and strap to hold the battery in. Have your 2 outside waste for your water. Your filler point for your toilet flush, obviously in the toilet. Your toilet cassette you can take out and slot back in. See all the lights working. And top level like so. Now inside the van. Inside the van, off door you have your main control panel. If that doesn't turn on, you need to make sure your 12 volt shutdown button is turned on. Then you can press the power button like so, and obviously that will. Then you have your internal lights, your awning lights, as you can see, working. Then you've got your water pump here, but you'll need to make sure that your drain off valve is facing down in the horizontal position like so. Then when you press your water pump button, you can run water through your tap, which will start your onboard pump to start running. And you just want to go from cold to hot until all the air is out of the system. Your kitchen, bathroom sink, and your shower. Like so. Once all the air is out of the system, you will be able to, your pump will cut in and out as it should, like it's cut off now, and then it will cut back in as soon as the tap's turned on, and after a few seconds it will cut back off. Down here you also have your main consumer unit, where you have obviously your main shutdown button we just discussed about, your charger and your heating and hot water. The charger, obviously once you're connected to 240, you turn that on and it will charge your battery. The charger is located just here. And your heating and hot water on 230, so this will have to be on when using your heating or hot water or both on electric. Then we have your main RCD and your 12 volt fuses. Main RCD, they recommend that you test it every time you use it. Then you have your 3 MCBs, which then tell you what they are for, and the fuses there on the left. Truma unit here, so to turn on, just press the power button like so. You have your internal temperature, what you want to set it to, 0 to 30. Then you have your hot water. You can have it on Eco, Hot or Boost. Then you can have it on gas, mix 1, mix 2, electric 1 and 2. So 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, then mix gas 1 and 2 kilowatt again. Then you have your fan. So that controls the blow air heating around the van to set it what speed you want it to. And to turn off, just hold the power button like so. And you have to wait for that off to be completely off the screen to turn off the van. Otherwise it can cause fault with the boiler. Across from me here I have your domestic fridge, where you have the power button there on the left hand side. Just here, you hold that to turn it on. Then you have 4 settings: 12 volt, gas and mains, and auto, which obviously chooses. So technically it's 3 appliances, but 4 settings as auto chooses which one to go to. So you have 12 volt, which will only work when connected to the car and if your car is wired up correctly. Gas, obviously if you've got gas on the van, and obviously then that will connect to it. Then you have mains, obviously if you've got 240 connected to it, the fridge will connect straight to the mains. Then you have obviously your temperature here. Then to turn off, like so, and to open the fridge, you need to make sure that this bottom one is facing that way like so, and then you place that one here and it opens like so. Then to close it, comes across like so to lock it into place. Then we have your Thetford oven, cooker, sorry. So to light the 3 hobs on top, push it in like so while pressing the igniter button, and same goes for the grill and the oven. As you can see, all 3 hobs, gas grill, gas oven. And to turn off, just turn them back into the centre position. Your toilet flush, obviously when you're ready to flush, press the button like so. Then you can open the trapdoor underneath, from underneath here by pulling this lever away from you and back towards you to open the flap and empty it into the toilet cassette. On this van you have a Sergeant 350 alarm. Sergeant 350 alarm, so 1 to arm, 2 to disarm. Once armed, your PIR will detect any motion. Obviously we'll set the alarm off if it detects any movement at all. And 2 to disarm. You also have your winterization sheet, how to correctly winterize your caravan ready for the winter period to stop any frost damage, as frost damage isn't covered by the warranty that we provide. We have a list here of what we do cover, and obviously highlighted is what we don't. Now to demonstrate the motor mover. On this van you have a mover. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to get your butter, stick it on there like so, and then engage it to the wheel so you hear the clunk. Now you can release your handbrake. Turn your isolation key on by putting it in the switch and turning it clockwise. Double click, go forward, back, front away, so you see it working. The one done, double click the handset, apply the handbrake, and then disc and lift the motor from the wheel. So